Introducing the Velowave Pony Step-Through electric bike, your ticket to adventure, wherever the path may lead. Stay powered up with the removable 48V15AH LG battery, offering up to 40+ miles per charge and quick recharge capabilities. With ample cargo space, the Velowave Pony is your perfect companion for running errands or carrying essentials. Conquer all terrains with ease on the Kenda 20X 4.0 fat tire, powered by a robust 750 watts Beifeng-geared hub motor for effortless acceleration. Ride with confidence on any road with the front hydraulic suspension fork, reducing vibrations for a stable and controlled experience. Adapt to any riding condition with the Shimano 7-speed drivetrain, offering smooth shifting for effortless control. Perfect for off-road adventures. Experience the thrill of the ride with the Velowave Pony. Ride farther, ride faster, ride with confidence. Velowave. Ride into adventure. Get your Velowave Pony electric bike today. Visit our website or authorized dealers.